Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will learn about how to take a screenshot with the help of CH winforms. The compiler which we are using is the Microsoft Visual Studio. So for it, first of all, we need to go to File, New and click on Project. In Project, we will click on Visual CH, Windows Forms Application. Click OK. Now this is our working window. We will just take one push button so that we can trigger any event. Okay, so this is our push button. We will double click on it. Now whenever somebody used to click the push button, all these statements within these two brackets will get executed. So now we will try to write our code for screen capturing or screenshot. So we will write bitmap, and it is BP. Bitmap BP is equal to new bitmap. Okay, now we have created an object that is named as BP, which just acts like a variable and belongs to bitmap class. And why we have written new bitmap? Because in order to make an object for a bitmap class, you must need to write new bitmap. Now we will write 1024, which is the resolution, length and height. It is 768. It is the size of our screen. Okay, and comma pixel format. We also need to give the pixel format, which is pixel format dot format 32 bpp, format 32, which is 32-bit argb. Okay, so this is our pixel format. Okay, we have to introduce one library in order to remove the error using system dot drawing dot imaging. Okay, dot imaging. Okay, so you should have to introduce this library so that our now you can see that our error has been gone. Okay, now we will define a rectangular area. So we will write rectangle and we will write CR, rectangle CR. Okay, now we will write rectangle CR, and we have created the object of that is rectangle class that is called as the CR. And now we will write screen dot all screens. Okay, all screens. We will write the index 0 dot bounds. Bounds is actually used for all screens of 0 dot bounds. Bounds is used for like the outer edges. Okay, because in screenshot we have to take each and every corner, each side in our picture, in our screenshot. So that is why we need to write all screens index 0 dot bounds. Okay, now all the information regarding dot bounds in all screens will be stored inside this CR object. Now we will go for third class, and that is called as the graphics. Graphics are CG. Graphics.cg is equal to graphics dot from image graphics. Now it deals purely with graphics. Okay, graphics from image. This is our function, graphics from image. Okay, graphics dot from image, and we will write here CBP, or we can just write BP because we have created the bitmap object as BP. Okay, so from this image all sort of graphics will get extracted and given to CG, which is the object of graphics class. Now okay, now this is CG, and now we will write CR. Now we will write CR, which is actually rectangular object. cr dot copy from screen. This is next function, copy from screen. This is actually a method, copy from screen, which is actually the part of rectangle class. So that is why we are just calling it with the help of this dot operator, copy from screen. Okay, copy from screen, and cr dot left comma cr dot top comma 0 comma 0 comma cr dot size. Okay, now what is this now? Copy from screen. Okay, so this is our function, which is actually the part of, okay, definition for copy from screen. Okay, we need to write this. Okay, we have to write cr or cg. I think it is cg. Okay, so but it is not cg. Okay, screen, all screens here dot copy from image. Okay, copy from screen. Okay, copy from cr, copy from screen, cr dot left, cr dot top 0 comma 0 cr comma size. Okay, we will see either using system dot drawing, using system dot drawing dot imaging. Okay, wait, let me, okay, now it is cg. Okay, it is not cr, it is cg. Copy from screen is the part of this graphics library. Okay, cg is the part of this graphics library. So now, okay, now this thing is done. These the four parameters are cr dot left, cr dot top, 0 comma 0 is the origin, and cr dot size. These are the four parameters which you need to give to the copy from screen, because this function is used for copying. Now we will write this save. So we will try to save this image, bp dot save. Okay, now bp dot save, and where we want to save our image, we have to write the name. Okay, bp dot save, where we want to save it, c colon, this is users dcs. Now this is my desktop. Okay, see user, you can write any other location within your pc. So desktop slash sc screenshot dot jpg. Okay, or sc dot bmp, we want to save it in the bmp format. Okay, so now, and this is bmp, and now we will write image dot format, image dot format, image dot format. Oh, sorry, image dot, it is image dot format, image dot format dot bmp or jpg. Okay, so it's not, it is image format dot bmp, image not, so dot bmp, or we can write dot jpg. Okay, jpg is our okay, so we will try to do it with jpg, and here we will write jpeg as well, peg. Okay, so this to write with big one. Okay, with big J. Okay, yeah, it is the format. So now we will try to start it and click on it. Okay, and we will get our screenshot sc. Yes, now you can see this our screenshot. Okay, so hopefully you got the concept that how you can take and store or save the screenshot within ch. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.